Hello and welcome to today's video. My name is John Anaviolore. So if you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you and appreciate you for stopping by to check on this amazing video. So today I'm going to share with you guys how you can create a logo for free. Yes, for free. You're not going to pay a dime. You're not investing a dime even to download. There is no BS to enter in your card details before you can actually download, or maybe a kind of limitation to actually try it out for some period and then you pay a pricing fee. No, it's completely free and you can do it in minutes. In less than 10 minutes or 5 minutes, you should have an amazing logos, just as you can see right here. So let's get inside into how to do this. Now I'm going to be doing this on a Namecheap here. So I'm going to leave a link right there on how to get to this platform, how to use this platform to create your logo. It's very simple. You don't even need to actually, I don't think you need to register an account to do this. No. So it's on Namecheap. Namecheap has a feature. They just introduced this feature to create a logo. And the beauty of this is you can actually create logos here and head over to Fiverr and start selling them. Yes, and start selling them, or you get orders. You can list a service on Fiverr that you create stunning logos, attractive logos, beautiful logos for just $5. Or you can I'll create 5 logos for you for just $5. 5 unique logos or 5 professional logos for you for $5, and you get them in PNG format. So there are actually many ways you can actually customize your service on Fiverr and start offering a logo design as a service. So now let's head in here. Let's head straight on how you can create your own logo. So just 3 steps. You choose your logo design, then you select your favorite icon, and then you download your free logo. So I think the first thing is, let's choose what logo name do we want to design, what company name, what business name do we want to design. So I think I'm gonna, let me see, okay, let me say logofy. Let's go with, let me say logofy. Let me just go with logofy. So I'll just come over here. There's a link under this video to get to this page. Yes, so the link is under this video. So just once you click on the link, it's going to bring you right to this page. Then you can actually read through and see everything there. So the next thing, you just come over and then you click on create your logo. Yeah, just click on create your logo. So once you click on create your logo, it's going to direct you. So after clicking on create your logo, it's going to bring you right on this page. You can see free logo maker. Tell us about your business to get started. So what you need to do is just enter your company name and then the type of business. And you can see this is optional. So I just head over and then put, actually I'm not designing for a company. Okay, let's say our company name is logofy. I think we choose logofy. All right, so let's go with logofy. Then I'm going to skip this type of business. This is optional, so I'm just click on continue. So once you click on continue, we'll just hold on for that to load up. So we'll choose a style. So pick your favorite font. So what fonts do we want to use? You can choose from hundreds. Okay, I think we have 3 options right now. So let's just, so you can see we have it is a kind of serious, classical, traditional, and trustworthy fonts. This is clean, versatile, friendly, and neutral. This is elegant, friendly, humble, and playful. So let's just go with this. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to select this style, and then the next is, do we want our logo to be a kind of serious or fresh? Which one do we want? I'll simply go for this. Yes, this is sophisticated, serious, cultured, and elegant. I'll go for this. So do I want it thin or do I want the logo to be thick? So I'm going to pick the best, the thickness I want. Whether I want it thick, I want it bold, I want it medium. So I'll go for medium. I want it to be medium. Yes, medium is okay. So do I want it playful or elegant? Now this is playful, but then it's bold, and this is playful, and this is elegant. So I'm just go with this. I don't want this. Let me just go with this. Yeah, this is okay. So let's see. So the next one, do we want it to be organic or geometric? Let's wait for this to load up. Yes, so this is organic, geometric, and then geometric. So I'll just go for this. This is too bold, then go for this. So the last font is, you don't want it funky or normal. So for funky, you can see we have an unconventional one. We have funky typefaces and then plain typefaces. Let me see. I think I should go for something like this. Yes. Let me go for this. So now we can pick our favorite color. Pick your favorite color. What color works best for logo file? Actually, I love green, I love blue, and I would love purple. So let me just go with let me go with green. Let me use this deep color. Yeah, so let's go with this. So now we're selecting this. So okay, it's telling us to add a slogan. I don't want a slogan for now, so let's just continue without a slogan. So now we can now choose icons. We're going to search and pick 3 favorite icons from the library they are going to give to us right away. So I'm going to pick 3. I'm going to select 1. I love this. And then I'm going to select let me see, I'm going to select 2, and then I'm going to select, let me see, logo file. Let me see something that represents logo file. Okay, 1, 2. What's wrong? I don't think it's selecting this thing. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, so continue with 1 icon. Let me see. Okay, let me just continue with 1 icon. Let me continue with this. So I'm going to continue. Yeah, let me click on continue. Continue with 1 icon. Alright, so our result is now here. So we can save it, we can even edit, we can download, or we can even go ahead and share our new logo. Okay, so our icon actually changed. Okay, so I think this was the icon I actually selected. So we can now choose which of these can we actually choose as a logo. I think everything looks awesome. Just the background makes it different. So let's see. I love this. Logify. Let me see. Let's see. I think this is cool. This is cool as well, but the green is not going fine. Okay, wow, this is lovely. So let's, okay, this and this are so lovely. I love this too. So that's all. I think, let me see. Okay, let's go with something like Logify. Let's go with this. Let me see. Okay, let's go with this. Okay, so okay, we have this already. So you can now come over here, you can edit, you can change the color, you can change the text, you can change the slogan, the icon, the layout, and then you just go ahead and you download. So to download or save or share your logo, you just need to register. Okay, yeah, you have to register, or you sign in and then log into your account, and then you get access to download this beautiful, awesome logo. So this is how to create logo in minutes, and then you can go to Fiverr and start selling this, or any other freelance sites, and start selling it and make money over and over again, creating logos for free without paying a dime on it, or without hiring freelancers to create logos for your business. So that's all for that about this video. Thank you for watching this video. My name is John, and once again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm going to see you later. Bye bye.